The best grain cleaning machines, grain loaders, and fertilizer spreaders. We have been producing since 1999. More than 7,000 manufactured machines. Over 12 patents for produced products. Production base above 100 units of high-precision equipment. 2 plants and 37,000 square meters production areas. Our agricultural machinery provides unique opportunities. 21 countries are using our machinery. Over 50 awards for quality and innovation. We are always open for partnership and looking to the future with confidence.